All right, how's it going, everybody? This is 2013 Panini Spectra Football. 4-box break number 3, random teams. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. 7 times. Lucky number 7. Good luck. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We got Kevin up top. Tyler, 32 spot. Now we got 7 times on the teams. Good luck. 7 times. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Yeah, Downers will come up right after this. I know one of those sold out. We got the Colts up top, down to the Bears at the bottom. All right, so let me read off the names and the teams right here. Kevin, you got the Colts. Bill, you got the Jaguars. Jason, you got the Vikings. Will, you got the Dolphins. Troy, you got the Falcons. Justin, you got the Raiders. Vincent, you got the 49ers. Justin, you got the Eagles. Dan, you got the Packers. Justin, you got the Lions. Jason H, you got the Panthers. Will, you got the Seahawks. Bill, you got the Chargers. Jason F, you got the Jets. Jason H, you got the Cardinals. Justin, you got the Redskins. Joseph, you got the Bills. Bruce, you got the Cowboys. Aaron, you got the Ravens. Thomas, you got the Broncos. Jason F, you got the Rams. James, you got the Titans. Joseph, you got the Steelers. Jason, you got the Giants. Michael C, you got the Chiefs. Bruce, you got the Patriots. Thomas, you got the Saints. Philip, you got the Texans. Ed, you got the Bucks. Will, you got the Browns. Justin, you got the Bengals. And Tyler, you got the Bears. I have the card on the front cover right now, right? Alright, so let me advertise that. Give it a couple minutes on trades, if anyone wants to trade, and we will be right back. Alright, we are back. We're going to pick which half we're doing. So let me open up the case. But yeah, those Super Bowl squares are going to be popular. Going to be fun. I mean, if you don't like either the Broncos or the Panthers, it gives you a good thing to root for. That's the thing. Like, I'm not a huge fan of either team, but the squares gives you a reason to watch other than the commercials. All right. So we got 1, 2, 3 left, 4, 5, 6 right. Let's roll the dice. 5. So we're doing the right side there. So left side, go there. All right. Good luck, everybody. I didn't see any trades. Here we go. Yeah, that shipped out a while ago. Hopefully you get it soon. I know that the blizzard out in the East Coast and whatnot did delay the mail quite a bit. Shut it down for like a good 2 or 3 days. Luckily, no snow out here. Hate to brag, but good luck. Yeah, a lot of that stuff got delayed, but should be getting it pretty soon. All right, first one we got Christine Michael for the Seahawks. City Limits. Will, number to 99. Got Julian Edelman. And we got a jersey autograph for the Bills, Marquise Goodwin. Going out to Joseph right there. And an autograph, Robert Alford for the Falcons. Troy. Deshaun Jackson, Peyton Manning. So I'll penny sleeve these as we go along here. Pack 2. They're actually just shipping that out today. We got blue rookie revolution Justin Hunter. I can hear Lars all the way from out here. 31 out of 49. We got a gold patch of Doug Martin for the Bucks. James. Number 9 out of 10. Look at that. Doug Martin, 9 of 10 patch for the Bucks. That's a nice one. We got Matt Sims autograph for the Jets. Number to 299. We got Nick Foles and Megatron, Calvin Johnson. Yeah, that was pretty funny, that Dorial Green Beckham. I think that was like the second or third one he did like that. All right, we got Kiko Alonso city limits for the Bills. Joseph, number 99. Wow, look at that. Russell Wilson patch autograph for the Seahawks going out to Will. Very nice. Look at that. Russell Wilson patch autograph for the Seahawks. 17 out of 25. That is nice. Got Baby Russ. We got Ryan Tannehill, the other quarterback from that draft. Going out to the Dolphins. Will. Number 99. And then we got Tony Gonzalez and Jimmy Graham. What's up, Matster? How's it going? Yeah, nice Russell Wilson. Yeah, I like the vet autos in this. Usually pop out quite a bit. We had Joe Namath a couple weeks ago when we did this. Geno Smith, rookie. Chris Johnson, city limits for the Titans. Number to 99. That's James. We got a jersey, Aaron Millette for the Ravens. Number to 99. And we got Robert Woods autograph for the Bills. Joseph. That one's numbered to 99. Then we got Antonio Gates and Clay Matthews. What's up, Carter Cards? How's it going? Monster for the Vikings coming up? Maybe. Never know with this stuff. Eddie Royal blue. That one's numbered to 99. We got Art Monk for the Redskins. Going out to Justin. Number to 50. We got a 2-color rookie patch autograph. Go Bruins for the Packers. Jonathan Franklin. Going out to Dan. That one's numbered 10 out of 10 right there. 10 of 10, Jonathan Franklin. And then we got another gold. This one's a gold auto. Bleedy Ray Wilson for the Titans. Going out to James. And that one is 10 of 10. Man. Gold hot pack right there. 3 golds in this this box right here. I like this Spectra a lot. Ton of hits. Pretty reasonable buy-in for what? Like 18 bucks. I think it's pretty solid. Another one. Well, I just couldn't pronounce the name. I didn't want to offend Bleedy. I think it's Bleedy. Bleedy? Alright, we got EJ Manuel. We got a gold Marcus Wheaton. Nice. Gold City Limits Marcus Wheaton. Man, ton of golds. That one's number 9 of 10 for the Steelers. Going out to Joseph. We got Jordan Cameron, jersey for the Browns, going out to Will. Number to 99. That is, yep, that's Will. We got a kicker autograph, kicker for the Eagles now. Go Eagles. But this is for the Dolphins. This is Caleb Sturgis. Going out to Will. 293 out of 299. I must say he did miss a few big kicks this year. The Eagles signed him because their normal kicker got hurt. Cody Parkey. Caleb Sturgis comes in. He kind of missed a few important kicks. So, it's kind of on my explicit list, but... Not yet, RQ. Go right after this stuff. That's signature number 5. I think that filled up yesterday, I believe. We had a few breaks that filled up today and yesterday. Signature 6 is up in the store now. All right, we got another EJ Manuel. Got another gold. Wow, look at that. Larry Fitzgerald gold for the Cardinals. Going out to Jason H. Numbered 4 out of 10. Very nice. 4 out of 10, Larry Fitzgerald. Nice hit. We got a dual jersey, Jordan Cameron, Josh Gordon for the Browns. Going out to Will. Number 299. We got a Corey Fuller autograph for the Lions. Justin. Number 299. Then we got MVP Cam Newton and Santonio Holmes. Next pack. PC Doro Green Beckham. Yeah, we were talking to Doro Green Beckham on Saturday. Nice guy. He signed a redemption for Andy415. The physical redemption card. Pretty funny. All right, we got Michael Rivera for the Raiders. Going out to Justin. Number to 99. We got Monte Ball for the Broncos jersey. Thomas. Number to 49. This guy just signed a big fat extension. Zach Ertz for the Eagles. Look at that. Nice 3-color rookie pouch autograph. Zach Ertz. Going out to Justin. Numbered 42 out of 49. And then we got Torrey Smith and Eli Manning. Bryce Butler for the Raiders. Going out to Justin, numbered to 99. We got Sam Bradford. This one's for the Rams. Jason, number to 299. We got Luke Wilson autograph. That's a nice one. Another one for the Seahawks. That's Will, number to 99. And then we got Jason Witten and Dwayne Bowe. Seahawks cleaned up big time, right? What's up, dog? How's it going? All right, we got a blue City Limits, Geno Smith, number 49. We got an Andrew Luck pink. Wow, look at that. 3-color patch for the Steelers, Landry Jones. Nice looking patch. Going out to Joseph. Number to 49, we got another Matt Sims. Jason F. for the Jets. Number to 99. Then we got Mike Wallace and Steve Johnson. Yeah, the pink base is not numbered, but it's pretty short print. I know they released like how many, but it's pretty short print, I believe, compared to the normal base at least. Yeah, those are not numbered. They got pink, orange, a couple other colors that aren't numbered. All right, we got a red Rookie Revolution, Christine Michael. Going out to Will. Number to 25. We got Darren McFadden, jersey for the Raiders, Justin. Number to 199. We got DJ Swearinger, autograph for the Texans, Phillip. Number to 299. Then we got Andre Johnson and Jake Locker. Pack. We got Marlon Brown for the Ravens. Jonathan Franklin, City Limits for the Packers. Number 99. Going on to Dan. We got an autograph for the Vikings, Rodney Smith. That's going out to Jason H. Number to 99, we got another Jonathan Franklin hit. Man, Dan building that Franklin PC, number 49. Then we got Murray and Rivers. Yeah, we did take away all the mods in the Breakers room. I think it got reset, and then we just decided to just keep it as is. Now it's just dictatorship. Alright. I think the only mods now are Jaspy's. Jaspy mods. It's like Cuba. Butterfingers. We got Terrence Williams for the Cowboys. Going out to Bruce. Number to 99, we got a nice rookie jersey, DeAndre Hopkins for the Texans. Phillip. Number to 99, we got another nice 4-color patch auto this time. Zach Ertz for the Eagles. Number to 99. Eagles hit going out to the Eagles. Justin. And we got Terrell Pryor and Julius Thomas. Pack. I think I already cut him, right? Yeah. He's like, I think, all-time leading rusher at UCLA. Jonathan Franklin. We got EJ Manuel for the Bills, blue. Going out to Joseph, number 49. We got a nice J.J. Watt pink short print. Manti Te'o for the Chargers. Bill. Number 49. Jeff Toole autograph for the Bills. Joseph. Number 299. Then we got AJ Green. And Matt Schwab. Schaubster. Matt Schaub. Who you got, T-Big? You got the Bears? Need some Bears hits. Just one spot, right? Need some Bears. We pulled a like a Bears Emerald a couple weeks ago from this stuff. We got Phenoms, Matt McGloin, Joe's guy. We got a nice City Limits Gold, Wes Welker for the Broncos. Thomas, now it's 2 out of 10. Nice hit. 2 of 10, Wes Welker. Pop the molly. Calvin Johnson, Matthew Stafford, Justin, number 99. Then we got the number 1 pick, overall pick, Eric Fisher for the Chiefs. That's Michael, number 99. Antonio Brown and Kyle Rudolph. So what do you guys think about Offensive Player of the Year this year? I saw on NFL Insiders or whatever it is on ESPN, they were giving it to, or one guy gave it to Antonio Brown, which I think who should win. And the other guy gave it to Adrian Peterson. Which is kind of, I guess he led the league in rushing, but. Oh yeah, Rookie of the Year, yeah. They were talking about just like total offensive player, just everybody. We got Keenan Allen, Rookie Revolution, Mike Glennon, number 46 of 99 for the Bucks. Ed. We got an autograph, Alan Bonnier, number 299. Another Bills hit, Marquise Goodwin, Bills cleaning up. Joseph, number 99. Then we got Marshawn Lynch and T.Y. Hilton. Yeah, another topic is the Marshawn Lynch thing. You guys think he'll retire? That'd be pretty crazy if he just retires. But he has made a ton of money, so I'm sure he can retire comfortably. All right, we got a red Matt Barkley for the Eagles. Justin, number 25. We got a patch card of Mike Wallace, a little stitching in there, for the Dolphins, number 199. Will, we got a DJ Swearinger autograph for the Texans, number 299. Philip, then we got Patrick Peterson and Rob Gronkowski. Pack. Texans have been doing well, right? So the next one of these is in the store, everybody. It's pretty solid stuff so far. A ton of golds. We got Gavin Escobar for the Cowboys, number 99. We got Doug Martin jersey for the Bucks, number 299. We got Michael Rivera autograph for the Raiders. That's Justin, number 299. Then we got RG3 and Brandon Marshall as a Bear. That one. All right, final box. Final box. Good luck, everybody. Hey, I can't control what's in here. It's all random, guys. People love to thank me when I get them like a big hit or something. I'm like, it wasn't me. I was the one who gave you that team. A lot of the time it's you guys who pick the teams. So I'm like, hey, you guys are choosing your fate. That's on the pick your teams though. Yeah, I can controlbrand.org. All right, we got a nice J.J. Watt for the Texans right there. Going on to Phillip. That was number 5 out of 25. We got Stedman Bailey, Tavon Austin duel. Number to 99 for the Rams, Jason. We got another Caleb Sturgis autograph for the Dolphins. Number to 99. And we got Beast Mode and T.Y. Hilton again. Man. Duplicates.
UPS try to sell us on their service.
All right, we got DJ Fluker. Ray Rice City Limits for the Ravens. Going out to Aaron. Number to 99. We got Justin Houston patch for the Chiefs. Going out to Michael. Number to 299. We got Mike James autograph for the Bucks. Going out to Ed. Number to 299. Then we got AJ Green and Matt Schaub. Who you booing, Ray Rice? Yeah, that's reasonable. Hope you're not booing AJ Green or something. I like AJ Green. We got Jamal Charles blue for the Chiefs. Going out to Michael. Number 49. We got Torrey Smith pink. Nice EJ Manuel. That's a 4-color patch gold. For the Bills, going out to Joseph. 1 out of 10. 1 out of 10, EJ Manuel. We got Matt Scott, blue autograph for the Jags. Number to 49. Patrick Peterson and Rob Gronkowski, the Jaguars owner. Which is Bill. And the Bills is Joseph. I think I said that one. 3 packs left. So we already got a break or two filled up after this. So I'll put these away and then get right into that. We got Julius Thomas blue for the Broncos. Number 99. That is Thomas. We got Daniel Thomas jersey. Going out to Will. Number 299. We got Darius Slay, blue autograph for the Lions. Justin. Number to 99. We got a jersey of Julio Jones. A little dirt stain on there. Going out to Troy. Number to 199. Then we got Pierre Garçon and Greg Jennings. We're breaking Signature Series football next. Only a few breakers were allowed to break it early, and we're thankfully one of them. We got those cases a couple days ago. Been breaking it for a few days. I know the product officially releases tomorrow everywhere else. Zach Ertz for the Eagles. Blue Randall Cobb for the Packers. Dan, number 83 of 99. We got Cameron Wake jersey for the Dolphins. Going out to Will, number 99. This is a nice one. A rookie autograph, Tavon Austin. St. Louis Rams, that's Jason F. 16 of 99. Terrell Pryor and Julius Thomas. All right, final pack. Good luck, everybody. Final pack. We got the X Factor, Dez Bryant, blue for the Cowboys, number to 99. Let's go on to Bruce. Marcus Lattimore jersey autograph, first hit for the 49ers. That's Vincent, number 299. This is a nice one, a D. Milliner jersey autograph. I thought it was Deron Reeves for a second. Jets hit, going out to Jason, number to 10. Wow, 6 out of 10. D. Milliner. That's nice. And then we got Kyle Rudolph and Brandon Marshall. So that was the break. Thanks everybody for joining. That was Spectra Football 4-box break number 3, number 4. That second half of the case, which is our last case, is in the store now. You guys can go check it out on jaspyshotline.com. So thanks everybody for watching, and thanks for joining.